this hands-on review of today's 5 best laptop docking stations can get you hooked up in a hurry. We pored over product specs, consumer reviews, and the marketing claims made by manufacturers, eventually settling on top-tier products that work with the most common computers and peripheral hardware. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for choose laptop docking stations. With so many different laptop docking stations on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best laptop docking stations, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 laptop docking stations on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. CalDigit TS3 Plus Thunderbolt 3 Dock. The CalDigit TS3 Plus Thunderbolt 3 Dock is a veritable Swiss Army knife of a docking station. For starters, the dock supports both macOS and Windows via a high-speed Thunderbolt 3 USB-C style connection. It's also compact, with rubber feet that support both a vertical and horizontal orientation, depending on which fits your needs. This unit will fit all but the tightest spaces while keeping the commonly needed inputs like the SD card port on the front for easy access. Further increasing its usefulness is the 87-watt charging capacity, which allows users to work on their machine hour after hour without depleting the batteries. However, we think that if you need a high-performance docking platform for your laptop, it's well worth the money as it's easy to use, lacks operating system restrictions, and the plain exterior speaks to its sturdy build. Product number 2. StarTech USB 3.0 Docking Station. The StarTech Triple Monitor USB 3.0 docking station connects seamlessly to both Windows and macOS machines via USB-B to USB-A adapter cable included. This slim unit houses 5 USB 3.0 ports, one of which is a 2.1 amp port for high-speed device charging, 2 display ports, and 1 HDMI. The StarTech also has Ethernet, microphone, and headset ports to round out the dock's peripheral device accommodations. Finally, the unit can manage up to 3 displays simultaneously, pretty impressive, in our minds. While there is much to like about the StarTech dock, it is not without its shortcomings. Our main criticism is that the device will not charge the laptop when connected, though this may appeal to the consummate traveler as it eliminates an additional power adapter for the dock. As it is, the user must charge their laptop with a separate cord. Also, the max resolution of the display connected drops with each additional monitor added. Product number 3. 9-in-1 USB-C Docking Station. The economic Ickling USB-C hub supports both Windows and macOS laptops, and, as the name suggests, it connects via a built-in USB-C cable. This connection type allows the station to charge, up to 87 watts, the computer's battery while connected. The dock supports wireless charging for a phone, too. Thus, the Ickling makes the most of the desktop real estate and the often limited time to charge one's devices. Given that this device also has an impressive array of ports ranging from USB 3.0 to VGA, it might seem odd that it didn't rate higher in our estimation. On the surface, the Ickling has all the trappings of the higher-rated devices reviewed here. However, our investigation shows that this device does not have the same attention to detail and quality components. While we won't claim that this machine is of a superior design and construction, we do think it offers good value to those who can't afford a high-end docking station. Product number 4. Hiearcool Laptop Docking Station. The Hiearcool MacBook Pro docking station meets Apple's standard for thoughtful designs that look sharp and function smoothly. It makes use of the 2 USB-C slots on contemporary MacBook Air and Pro models. This design allows the dock to pass through power by plugging the laptop's power cord into the device while still maintaining plenty of bandwidth to operate peripheral devices such as monitors. Speaking of monitors, this unit has 2 HDMI ports that support a resolution of 4K at 60 Hz for HDMI 1 and 4K at 30 Hz for HDMI 2. The dock has 9 ports in all, including an SD and TF card reader, Ethernet, and 2 USB-A 3.0. While we definitely like the Hiearcool's design, the cable that connects to the laptop is a little awkward to get hooked up as it must connect to 2 ports simultaneously. This also means that the device is limited to Mac models with the matching USB-C port configuration. Product number 5. Plugable Universal Docking Station. The Plugable USB 3.0 Universal Laptop Docking Station Dual Monitor is a Windows General Use device that attempts to cover a broad range of ports, both contemporary and antiquated. The dock house no less than 13 ports, as well as 3 extra adapter cables. Additionally, the Plugable supports a monitor resolution up to 2560 by 1440 at 50 Hz, via its HDMI port, and a secondary screen up to 1920 by 1200 resolution at 60 Hz. The Plugable USB 3.0 Universal is a competitively priced, generic unit designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices. But, in the attempt to meet a broad set of needs, it fails to do any one thing at a high level. As such, the manufacturer warns that the device cannot handle high-demand tasks such as gaming. Moreover, the unit lacks pass-through charging.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.